In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance mode on your WordPress site using Hostinger's intuitive tools. Whether you're about to perform essential updates or just working on enhancing your site, activating maintenance mode is a smart way to ensure that visitors know changes are happening behind the scenes and to prevent potential glitches during their visit. So let's dive right in to see how you can do that smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to access your WordPress admin dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website. You can log in by typing your site's URL followed by BBP admin into your browser and entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard area of WordPress where you can oversee and manage various aspects of your site. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu. As you scan through the options, you'll want to locate the Hostinger tab. This section is pivotal because it houses tools that are specifically tailored to enhance your hosting and site management experience. Once you spot Hostinger on the menu, give it a click. A drop-down list will appear with several options under it. Here you'll find Tools, which is where we want to go. Clicking on Tools will reveal a range of features available to you, designed to optimize how your site functions. Within the Tools section, you should see an option labeled Maintenance Mode. This is what you'll toggle to activate the feature. Activating maintenance mode is akin to putting an under construction sign on your website. It provides a placeholder that informs your visitors that the site is temporarily unavailable while you perfect your updates. With just a click, you can turn this mode on, ensuring that your audience remains informed and that your work behind the scenes progresses without any visitor interference. What's truly convenient about using this method through Hostinger is the bypass link feature. Hostinger provides you with a unique link that you can share with specific individuals, allowing them to access the site even while it's in maintenance mode. This is particularly useful if you need collaborators, clients, or contributors to review changes as you make them, all while keeping the general public at bay. Just copy this link and distribute it to those who need access. And there you have it, a straightforward, practical way to activate maintenance mode on your WordPress site using Hostinger's tools. Remember, keeping your site in maintenance mode while making key updates ensures a seamless experience for both you and your visitors. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your WordPress site with ease. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks to optimize your website.